Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video I'll show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook in 2023. I will show you two different methods, so before we start, don't forget to hit the like button. Likes are super important for me, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's begin with the first method. We need to open the new tab, and in the bar we need to enter this website, coursera.gq, and we need to go to this website. Once we will move to this page, here is the URL bar where we should enter the Roblox website. So let's enter roblox.com and click open in browser button. As you can see guys, this website automatically redirects us to the roblox.com, so we can log into our account and we can start playing Roblox. So this is the first method, and now I'll show you another method, which is another website. Let's enter this website, education.com, and let's go to this website. As you can see guys, this website detected that I'm using VPN, but I need to use this VPN at the moment. So if you will go to this website, it automatically redirects you to the roblox.com, and you will be able to play Roblox on school Chromebook, guys. So this is another method how to play Roblox on school Chromebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.